what is your experience in our campus as well as for our conference?
It's a beautiful campus. I've visited 2-3 times before also, and the best part is because I'm from Delhi, so there's a lot of pollution in Delhi, and when I checked out my AQI, so that was around 300 in Delhi.
Okay.
Here in the morning it was around 90. So beautiful campus, green campus I would say, and especially when I was going all throughout the lakes, absolutely fine. So you people are blessed, those who are studying at NIT Silchar, that they've got an opportunity to be part of this great institute. As far as conference is concerned, it's a great initiative of NIT and especially Professor Lenka, Professor Kaushik and all those who have been involved in organizing this conference. Very timely conference. India is putting a lot of emphasis on the Indian semiconductor mission. So it's perfectly aligned with the conference, and I can see a huge turnout, and especially it's in a hybrid mode, so people from all across can attend, and that is also going to save a lot of fuel. So it will lead to lesser pollution. So it's a good opportunity for that.
And, sir, how do you see the conference and the Indian semiconductor mission is future?
Okay, see, for if I'll say 1990s was the time when India was putting a lot of emphasis towards missile development, towards space science, and that was the right time where the emphasis should have been towards on semiconductors. So with that concept, the Semiconductor Complex Limited was established, and it worked out fine, but there was a huge fire which broke out over there. As a result, that whole facility was shut down, and then the emphasis changed altogether. So it's good initiative by central government that they are putting that thing back on the burner, and as a result of which there is a huge investment. More than 2 lakh crores has been promised, and one can see about 10 to 12 different ventures which are coming up, and I hope that by next year you'll get a good turnaround as far as the wafers, especially in the area of gallium nitride, silicon carbide. The OSAT facility I think is already there in Assam itself. So it's a great opportunity for all the young enthusiasts from EC especially, that they can join. Yeah, sure. Great.
Thank you.
Thank you. Great.
Can you tell me how was the experience here?
Yeah. This is the sixth version of the MNDCS 2026. So, first of all, I'd like to mention that sustaining a conference for its sixth consecutive version is not only academically stimulating, but it also shows the commitment of the organizers for their hard work, effort in advancing the cutting edge technology and fostering the global collaboration. So the organizers have done an excellent job in organizing this conference for consecutive six time, and this conference, as I told, is not a mere technical gathering like other conferences where people come and present their paper only. This is a conference. It's a kind of incubator where people can start their idea, reshape their idea, or they can discuss their research outcome, present their research outcome, and mingle with the other scientists, researchers, and students about it to refine their ideas. So this is how MNDCS conference becomes an excellent platform for serving the benefit of not only the student, researcher, scientist, and professional persons.
Okay, sir.
Hello, good afternoon. It is really a pleasure coming to NIT Silchar. I am coming to NIT Silchar for the second time. Once I came here for a PhD Viva, and the second time I am coming for the 6th edition of the this Micro Nano Circuit and Devices Conference. So I am really very impressed to see how the department has evolved over the years, and all the faculty members are very dynamic. I think I have gone through the program schedule of the conference. All the plenary and invited speakers are very reputed, and I hope this type of activities always brings a new motivation for the faculty, for the students, and for the institution as well. And institution's visibility also, appears in at the national and international level once you invite speakers of the international repute, that your institution also is highly benefited. In addition to the students and faculty benefit, institution is also getting the benefit, because as you know, whenever institution is being ranked, there are some points for the visibility. Once you invite persons from outside, they can always talk of, oh, NIT Silchar, that is very good. So I hope this type of activities should also be, held at regular intervals. And the most important is all the students, all the volunteers, they also interact with the outside faculty, outside experts, and they also gets motivated once they, once they see the faculty from the experts from outside, once they talk to those. So it is a good idea to hold such type of conferences, and NIT Silchar is doing this at regular intervals. So I give my best wishes to all the students, faculty, and the organizers, and congratulate the organizers for putting a very good show for this conference. Thank you very much.
It is a really good pleasure to be here in this particular conference organized by the Department of Electronic Communication of NIT Silchar, and I'm really happy to be here and see the conference, whatever the students are doing, especially in the conference, whatever the arrangements, starting from picking up us from the airport to the guest house to the conference venue, everything. And they are so caring, taking care of everything, the small things. Even in the morning, I was trying to connect my MacBook, and also they helped me a lot. And the most important thing, whenever we as a speaker deliver a lecture, so the way they interacted with us, it is really good. And they showed a lot of interest. My subject was AI, and after this after my speech, actually they met me outside this hall, and they asked me a lot of questions. Not only that, they took some time slot from me, and they will come in the evening also to learn AI. It is really good, because the keenness of learning, that is the actually tells about the quality of the student, and I'm really happy. The student quality here is really good, the faculties are very good, and all the best. Thank you.
Yeah, hello. I am Dr. Vinod Belvanshi from CSIR National Meteorological Laboratory, Jamshedpur. Of course, this event like MNDCS 2026, I have been invited, and I am very privileged receiving the invitation from this organizing committee, and I am very thankful about Professor Guha as well as Professor Lanka and all the organizing committee. And for me, of course, this MNDCS is like a very enriching experience about the current technology in the field of micro nano devices.
I'm Dr. Mukesh Shukla. So it is my second visit to NIT Silchar campus, and on the eve of 6th IEEE mini colloquium, really it is very good experience with ambience and technical activities we are conducting, and it is so well organized and gathering a lot of research minds in the different domain. Somebody is covering from the device side, circuit and system side. It is well coordinated event, and really the event seems to be more energetic because of the young and energetic and dynamic volunteers. Really they have taken care of all these arrangement starting from the day 1 till the day 3, and still all these activities are conducted so smoothly, and in terms of hospitality and everything they have taken care, and really it is amazing. And even if like no they are fresh, but still they show their like no maturity in terms of organizing such kind of like no a mega event. And hopefully like no I'll be wishing them all the best to conduct such kind of like no events in future. And it will be like no really reflecting the campus in a mega way in national level as well as in the international level. Yeah, thank you for inviting me, and always like no I'll be really happy to visit again if like no there is a scope to come and interact with the young minds. Thank you so much.